Hi there. So, recently I've got a request for tutorial for this song, Elohim by Sondae. It is relatively simple song because it is based on only 3 chords, according to my humble hearing. F minor, G minor, and C sharp major. But, as we can hear, in the song, these chords sound a bit different. Well, sure they do, cause they are not just so to say standard minor or major. They have some interesting chord tones used, the 7th and the 4th. In F minor we have the 1st, root, minor 3rd, the 5th, and root again. But here, the 7th and 4th are added. So, we have here, root, minor 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 7th tones, which create this kind of ambient sound. The thing is, on piano keyboard it's easier to press all close notes at once to have such sound, and harder on guitar. So as I cannot take all notes on my fretboard, root note F will remain played by bass player only, and 5th we will play lower. And that's it for F minor. The same goes for G minor. And we have C sharp maj 7-9, we outline the 7th and the 9th tones. So here's the result, how I play it. Hope this helps.